Hello, wonderful traders. Dada's here speaking to you from the Dada's trading room on the Discord. So, Dada's trading room is my Discord server. Everybody is welcome to join in. So, today let's do the daily recap. Today the market was a little bit different than, at least the DAX 30 market was a little bit different than the previous days. Not that it didn't make the same kind of volatility. I mean, ultimately it did go down. It did make a move between the daily high and daily low of about 712 pips, almost 713 pips. But at least you see what it did here during the Asian session. It went a little bit down, right, and then it came back up, and then went further down, and made a little retrace. So there, some demand showed up right there, and I was basically looking at it from this perspective, right? So that there was some demand and possibly a correction and trading long. And that's what I did. Unfortunately, I opened my first long a little bit, not in a very good place, yeah. And the market came back down to this zone again, and then it showed again. It showed some possibility of demand, and again retested this zone again one more time. And then when it was starting to go up, I decided to open another trade, another long trade of the same volume, right? 0101 lots. However, the market didn't continue directly up, but it started going down. I was prepared. I was already prepared to take the loss. You know, my stop loss was uh, switched off. Come on. So my stop losses were right there where they were supposed to be. Right, one of them was right there. The other one was somewhere right here. Yeah, here was the other stop loss, so at the same level. And I was thinking already that this time I wouldn't be lucky and I would get a loss. But however, the market bounced off and started going up. Now, as it started going up right here, it was going up quite dynamically, and at a certain moment it was showing profit. Uh, Generally my thinking was, I had my take profits up there on both of the trades. Well, initially on this trade I had my profit much higher, but then I thought that I would put my take profit about this level on those two trades, right? And I said that there would have been a perfectly good profit, but uh, something was very strange and fishy right here. I thought that perhaps I should just take whatever profit the market would give me, because there is a possibility that they will be going down at this moment. And the price was started moving up again, and then I clicked and closed both of those positions, and it turned out that the lower position gave me 51.45 pips and of profit, and the long position taken up there gave me minus 38.05 pips loss. So altogether, I had about 13.5 pips loss, right? Sorry, profit. 13.5 pips in profit. It's better to have some profit than to take a loss. Well, nevertheless, as you can see, the market then again showed some tendency to go back up. but again got bounced off from the top, and so this is kind of a consolidation situation which is pretty uncertain. Well, after the states had opened, on the American session, it made a move up, and ultimately it did get to my take profit levels, as you can see. But nevertheless, I was already out of the market. And later on, I was thinking about going long right there, but something again was not right. Uh, I thought that perhaps maybe they would be continuing long from here, right? And again, retesting some of those levels. But something wasn't right. Something wasn't right. I mean, this kind of price action wasn't right. There are too many candles here, and yeah, simply the market is not going out dynamically. So basically, uh, a better situation to go long was here right after this, right after these two candles, or even right after this one candle, and after that one, right? That would have been no, not like this. Uh, yeah, well, basically from after that candle, when the market was continuing, that would have been a good situation, or another good situation to go long would be it would have been right there, but we didn't have uh, perhaps it was a little bit too quick, but nevertheless, the situation like this is better because we don't have. I mean, the price is getting out quicker and not consolidating. Now, the longer the price is consolidating, the more fishy it becomes. We don't really know what will happen. I mean, the confirmation of the break from this practically from this level. The confirmation of the break was right there on this candle right there. So yeah, so that was the situation to go short then, and yeah, and then the market did go short. Anyways, the daily range at this moment was 400 something pips, and the spread wasn't so bad. It was like 3.8 pips, and then even at a certain point right there, the spread became 0.8 pips, like like on the normal market. But then when it started pumping down, the spread went back to 5 pips, and then it held at 5 pips for a pretty long time. Like I said, that was a good possibility to go short because of the break from this zone, consolidation zone, and like a confirmation break. So this would have been a good situation to go short. Well, I didn't. I'm because basically I didn't because I don't. I'm not in a good mental state today because I'm a little bit down with this whole situation of this coronavirus and what the people are really doing, because it's like they're forbidding us to live, actually, which is actually a stupid thing to do. Anyway, as you can see, there is this zone here, in gray. It's a very historical zone. It seems like a very important zone, a very important supply zone at this moment, and the market is reacting to this zone. You see, the market is reacting to this zone. So basically, you know, a good reaction was right here. So basically, there was a possibility of trading long right there too. No, not after the scandal, because after the scandal is a bit too late. But before this scandal, perhaps a bit too early, but maybe on these two signals. So we have like the lowest low, a higher low, and also a higher high here, right here. This is a higher high. So we have a low, higher high, higher low, and that would have been the signal to go long. That was the best situation to go long. The other situation could have been right there, but that situation wasn't so clear. But I mean, at least it was a break of this previous high. So it could have suggested that the price would continue, and it did, right? And it did, and now it's practically stopped. Because yeah, it's in a few minutes we're gonna have the regular break, and then yeah, and that's about it. I mean, so what I was also looking at today is I was looking at the euro dollar. As we can see, the euro dollar first. This is the daily chart, so you can see that there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12 days it was going up, and now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, seventh day going down, right? So basically, it's like returning to what it was previously doing. On the WTI, so this is the oil, right? Western Texas, I think, something industries. This is the crude oil. On the crude oil, we've had a further rally downwards, and then at the end of the day, a little bit of a pullback. So at this moment, the crude oil is at 22.18.19.20, something like that, around $22. I was also looking at my native currency, which is the Polish zloty, PLN. So I was looking at the euro PLN because I might be looking for a good opportunity to exchange some euros at a very good price, which I hope for 4.8, about 4.8. So my plan is to sell some euros when the price reaches 4.8. Hopefully, we'll see. Okay, so that's it for today. Also, please feel invited. Like I say, please, first of all, please like and please subscribe if you already haven't to my YouTube channel. Please ring the bell so that you will be notified about my future videos. And if you don't like my videos, please make sure to click the thumbs down and make sure you click it twice, because you really need to show me that you don't like my videos. Okay, now as far as my Discord server, well, please join in. Like I say, I'm streaming live practically every day, and everybody is invited, no matter where you are in this world. I mean, we're all on the same world. I mean, only in different time zones, but yeah, please join in. You will be able to watch my trading live, and you'll have access to a lot of interesting channels here. Also to my Dada's tool shop. From time to time, I will be posting something for free, right? Little free presents, like you see. There is one indicator here that is free. There is another video here that is free, and also there is a Dada's tool shop where you will be able to see videos about all kinds of my indicators. Then you'll be able to purchase for a very small price, unless you want to become my patron on patreon.com Dada's Trading System Workshop. If you become my patron on the level of Dada's beginner, then you will be granted. You'll be my first of all, you will be a VIP person here, and you will be granted access to my Dada's Trading System room, where you have extra videos and content for patrons only, and you'll get tool updates. You'll get all kinds of tools for free. Yeah, and you'll also you'll be able to get those tools here for free. Plus, you will get all kinds of many other benefits, like you can then request videos on demand that I will record for you on a given topic. You can ask me to program some simple indicators for you if I already don't have that indicator, or a small expert advisor, and all your payments to Patreon will be accumulated, and as soon as you accumulate at least enough for 6 hours of the data trading system workshop, you'll get the whole system together with all the indicators, expert advisors, and instructions in PDFs and videos. So, thank you very much for today. I hope you've enjoyed the film, and like I say, wash your hands, wash your feet, wash your teeth. Yeah, don't go around, shaking hands with people who are sneezing or whatever, right? Just be careful, and otherwise, I think we should all just lead our lives. Just be careful, and yeah, mm, don't let the virus get you, right? Okay. Till next time, have a good one, and see you.